Okay, so in this video, we are going to give more examples about inverse trigonometric functions. So examples, number one examples. So let's say we have x is equivalent to arc sine 1 minus 2. Okay, so don't forget our formula for arc sine. Okay, so our u is equivalent to 1 minus 2b, and du over dv is equivalent to negative 2. So dx over dv, okay, dx over dv is equivalent to, so arc sine natin ay equal siya sa negative 2 over square root of 1 minus 2v square. Okay, so rewrite ko lang, take note ha, yung formula natin na du over dx is equivalent to square root of 1 minus u square. So kaya naging ganito ito. Okay, so simplify lang natin, is equivalent to negative 2 over square root of 1 minus, so 1 is square, 1. So 1 is square is equivalent to 1 din lang. Okay? So 1 times negative 2v is equivalent to 2v times 2. So we have 4v plus 4v squared. Okay? Ayan. Kasi negative 2v squared is equivalent to positive 4v squared. So simplify natin, dx over dv is equivalent to negative 2 over square root of 1 minus 1. So ito parang dinidistribute natin, plus okay, so 4v plus minus 4v squared. Okay, equals to i-cancel na natin. So we now have negative 2 over square root of 4v minus 4v squared. So, pwede pa ba natin itong i-simplify? Oo, pwede pa. So, we have dx over dv is equivalent to negative 2. We have negative 2 over square root of 4v minus 4v squared. So, magiging negative 2 over, factor out natin, 4 tapos v minus v squared para maging dx over dv is equivalent to negative 2 over square root ng 4 ay 2. So, ilabas na natin siya. 2 square root of v minus v square. And ito, makakancel na. Kaya magiging dx over dv is equivalent to negative 1 over square root of v minus v squared. So, yan na ang final answer natin. Okay? Answer. Okay, next. Another example. Example number 2. Let's say we have arctangent f of w. So function of w is equivalent to arctangent 1 plus 4w. Okay? Considering that our formula for arctangent is equivalent to du over dx over 1 plus u squared. Okay? So, ang u natin ay equivalent to 1 plus 4w at ang derivative natin ng u ay equivalent siya sa 4. Okay? So, f prime x by f prime w is equivalent to 4 divided by 1 plus 4w squared. Okay, so expand lang natin to. So, we have 4 over 1 plus 8w plus 16w squared. Okay, so f prime w is equivalent to 4 over 1 plus 1 plus 8w plus 16w squared. Okay, so we now have 4 over 2 plus 8w plus 16w squared. So, masisimplify pa ba natin yan? Yes, by factoring this into 2 kasi divisible siya by 2. So, f prime w is equivalent to now, we have 4 over 2 plus 8w plus 16w squared. Okay? So, i-divide natin lahat ito ng 2 kasi lahat ng numbers natin dyan ay divisible by 2. So, we now have okay, yan. So, f prime w is equivalent to 2 over, so 2 divided by 2, 1.
So, at year 10,
1 plus 4w plus 8w squared. Ayan. So, eto na ang final answer natin.
So, dn
Final answer. So, simplified na yan. So, answer. Okay. Next, another example.
dn natin. Anong dn natin? Itong camera to, yung ano nga, yung tone ng camera. Hindi yung isang camera to.
Okay, so what if we have this example? Example number 3. Okay, let's say we have x is equivalent to, y is equivalent to x arctangent 4x. Okay, so yan. Paano kapag ganyan yung given natin? Okay, so i-apply natin dyan yung derivative of product, which is u dv plus v du. Okay, so ang u natin dyan ay x, wherein ang derivative niya du is equivalent to 1, and v is equivalent to arc tangent for x. And ang dv natin ay what? Ano yung arc tangent natin? Diba? Du. So, separate natin yan na derive. Arc tangent for x is equivalent to du over dx.
0.05.
Du over dx natin. So, ang du over dx natin ay 4 over 1 plus what? U square natin. Ang u square natin ay 8x square. Yeah. 16 pala, 16. Kasi 4x. 16. So, we now have 4 over 1 plus 16x squared. So, paano ito nakuha? Dinerive lang natin ito. 3 over dx. Okay. So, now, balik tayo dito sa product rule natin. So, we have dy over dx or y prime is equivalent to x divided natin 4 over 1 plus 16x squared plus arctangent x 1. Kasi yung dy natin ay equivalent to 1. Okay? So, simplify. Y prime is equivalent to 4x over 1 plus 16x squared plus arctangent 4x. O, may 4 dapat yun. So, 4x. Okay, so, hindi na natin masisimplify yan. So, ayan na ang ating final answer. Okay? Yan na yung final answer natin. So, yung ganyan, applied yan sa ating iba't ibang inverse trigonometric formulas. Okay? Applied pa rin ang product. So, lahat ng mga napag-aralan nating types ng differentiation ay pwede pa rin nating mai-apply dito yung mga basic natin. Yung mga basic algebraic formulas natin sa differentiation. Okay? So, let's find another example. So, ganito na. Ito naman. So, another example, number 4. We have example number 4. Y is equivalent to square root of arc sine x. Okay. So, yan. Ano ang gagamitin natin dyan?
70.
Ang gagamitin natin ay ang chain rule natin. Okay? So, parang ganito siya. Pwede natin siyang i-write. Arc sine x raised to 1 half. Diba? So, dy over dx now is equivalent to 1 half arc sine x raised to negative 1 half. Kasi 1 minus 1 1 half minus 1 is equivalent to negative 1 half. Okay? Tapos, yung derivative natin sa loob, yung derivative ni arc sine x, which is du over dx is equivalent to 1. Lagyan natin ng 1 over square root of 1 minus, ano ang u natin ay x. X ang u natin. So, x raised to 2. Okay? So, simplify lang natin. dy over dx is equivalent to y prime 1 half arc arc sine x raised to negative 1 half tapos 1 over 1 ay square root of 1 minus x square. Okay? So, pwede pa natin i-simplify yan. Yes, pwede pa. So, y prime is equivalent to 1. So, 1. So, 1 times 1. Kasi yan 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus x square. Kung baka pinag-multiply ko to 1 half times this 1. Tapos lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Tapos ito, arc sine x raised to negative 1 half. Tapos ito, ibababa na natin. Okay? Pwede na natin ibaba. So, ang final answer natin ay y prime is equivalent to 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus x square square root of arc sine x. Okay? Ayan. Okay?
Kasi,
So, yan na. Kalagyan na lang natin ng multiply.
para dun sa
So, eto na yung final answer natin. Hindi na natin yan pwedeng simplify. Kasi yan talaga. Answer. Okay.
Nagsasalita pala akong tao.
So, example number 5. Example number 5.
So,
What if ganito naman? Y is equivalent to arctangent square x cubed. Okay. So, paano naman yan? Arctangent tayo. Diba? So, parang ano lang, isi-chain rule ulit natin yan. Chain rule. Kasi, parang ganito lang siya. So, arc tangent x cubed square. So, parang ganyan lang siya. So, pag chain rule natin, dy over dx is equivalent to 2 arc tangent x cubed 2 minus 1. Ganyan. Tapos, ano yung derivative ni arctangent? Diba? Ito yung derivative niya. du over dx. So, ang u natin ay x cubed. So, pag dinerive natin yan, magiging what? 3
0.56. Guys, yung
ano derivative ni x cubed?
parang ganito lang din.
3x square. Diba?
Yung letter C.
3x square over
Kunin mo yung
ano yung derivative natin ng arctangent? 1 plus u square. So, 1 plus, ano yung u natin? X cubed square. So, ayan.
So, meron din tayo dito.
So, dy, simplify natin, dy over dx or y prime is equivalent to, so ito, 2 times 3x square, we have 6x square divided by 1 plus x cubed squared is x raised to 6. Okay? Parenthesis natin. Arctangent x cubed. So, raised to 1 na yan kasi 2 minus 1. So, simplify more. Simplify further. So, y prime is equivalent to 6x squared arctangent x cubed over 1 plus x raised to 6. Ayan. So, yan na ang final answer natin. Hindi na natin pwedeng i-simplify. Ayan. Okay na tong sa answer natin. Ayan. So, take note nyo guys na we can still use our basic differentiation like sum, product, quotient, chain rule in our inverse trigonometric functions. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.